I awake from the same dream every midnight, drenched in my own sweat, fists clenched, gasping from the creeps that creep up this wobbly bed. Only this time, my Blair woke him up to, I can feel his presence, sniffing in the room, hovering over. If I were younger, I might be thinking about shouting Mom's name above the ceiling, reciting the Holy Creed under the sheets, or bolting into the arms of the open, hoping. But as it is, I'm simply an intern on night shift, charged with keeping the dying alive, reminded of my oath each time I feel I want to quit. The ghost, a dying patient coughing bullets. Earth is a pregnant widow interceding. But what do we say to the god of death? The host of ailment, sneezing, absorbing microbes, knees bent in pleas at the altar of our hearts. Yet opposite us, the hates are buried in celebrations, feet beating sacred ground, blazing in dusty flames, widespreading in number and slumber. Thousands hunger for breath, others choking, soaking flesh with a rare flu, causing lockdowns on streets, evoking conspiracies in our minds, Still, I see a moon in the gloom of nights, shining, a dimple on the face of morning divine. There is a prince in shining armor, riding, and an answer to this mystery, arriving. Not today. There is a prince in shining armor, riding, and an answer to this mystery, arriving. Not today.